Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I do appreciate the support. As always, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Do not miss out on any of the content. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be speaking about some of the Bitcoin price rallies, some of the general analysis on what's been happening and how we see it going forward. So the first thing I like to speak about is that we've officially exited a 18-month long bear market. Now that is a very long time for the market because we've obviously seen the price from about 20k down to 3k in about 16 to 18 months. And basically what that is that we had a prolonged bear market, and that was obviously the result of a very crazy and hyped up rally, right? You know, we went from 1,000 in January 2017 up all the way till 18,000 in December 2017. That's not sustainable, and obviously as a result, that's what happens in the market. The next thing I like to speak about is what's going to happen next summer is Bitcoin halving. So let me just explain that. When we mine Bitcoin, what happens is that every 4 years the Bitcoin mining supply is halved. So right now, every 10 minutes when there is a new block in the blockchain that contains 12.5 Bitcoin. Now what's going to happen next summer is instead of 12.5 Bitcoin per block, we're going to have 6.25. So what this means is that Bitcoin mining is going to become a lot more cost effective and more difficult to mine. And every time we've seen a Bitcoin halving, the prices have gone through the roof. And it's very important to keep note of that, just because people are starting to interpret that into the price as well. Although it's early, people are being aware of this, and so should you. The next thing I like to say is that actually after the bear market, we've had some great news, and we've had some more adoption. I've spoken about this in the last video. Newcomers such as AT&T, Facebook, Fidelity Investments, all moving into crypto. All of this has actually helped and pushed the price up, and the price of Bitcoin has actually gone up 200% in the last 3 months. That's quite crazy, guys, because we've seen the price go very high in a short period amount of time. Whether this is adoption driven or whether this is the Bitcoin halving, we're not sure yet. This might just be a general consensus of people getting more interested. But in any case, what I'd always like to say is that do your own research, guys. DYOR, do your own research. Now why do I say that is because it actually doesn't matter if the price has gone up now, because we can't actually predict what's going to happen in the next 6 months, 12 months, or even 24 months, right? 2 years. So keep an eye out for information like this because it's very important. It helps you to understand, okay, I have a full mindset, I know exactly what's going on in the market, and I can make informed decisions. Do not get greedy about the short term, because I obviously like to share what's going on. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to react on what's happening and buy Bitcoin at the same time. It's just for you guys to be aware of what's going on. Make sure that you're understanding how these news and how these informations impact Bitcoin prices. And next up really is just understanding that the short term is not a very good indicator. And we've seen that on and time again. That's why, guys, don't be greedy. Do your own research. Make sure to stay up to date and interpret the news the right way. Guys, as always, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for tuning in. If you've taken something along, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe as well, and leave some comments, guys. The more comments you leave, the more I can engage with my audience, and there's nothing more I like to do. As always, guys, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, take care.
That's neat.